Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new lesson from your Hornbill book. The name of the third lesson is Discovering Tut. The saga continues. It is written by A.R. Williams. Discovering Tut. The saga continues. Discovering means searching. Discovering Tut. Tut is the name of a king of Egypt, ancient Egypt, and his full name was Tutankhamun. His name was Tutankhaten, but then he changed his name and he it become Tutankhamun. So, in short, we can say it is Tut, the King Tut. The saga continues. What is the saga? Saga means story, continues. And his discovery, his story, this story or the discovering Tut, that process is going on. After his death, his story was continues going on through his mummy, you know. And now look at the text. You can see here the King Tut. He was just a teenager when he died, the last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. He was just a teenager. Teenager meaning he was not um, uh, um, more than 20 years. He was the under 20 teenager when he died. The last heir of powerful family. It is heir, not higher. The correct pronunciation of this word is heir. So the last heir of powerful family. Heir means a person who inherits something from their parents. So the last heir or it's the successor. Heir means successor. So last successor of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt. That is the a powerful family who rules over the Egypt. It means the king family ruled over Egypt. Egypt is the name of a country in African continent and its empire for centuries. Um, he was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. And he was laid to rest means his mummy, his body was laid to the rest to laden. Laden means loaded, um, loaded with gold and eventually forgotten after that. But since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. And what happened after that? Since the discovery of his tomb, since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, in 1922, his tomb was discovered. Tomb means a grave. Um, Tomb, it is not tomb, it is tomb. The correct pronunciation of it is tomb. So his tomb was discovered in 1922. Tomb, it is an enclosure to bury the dead. That is the grave. Was discovered in 1922, and then from then the modern world has speculated about what happened to him. The modern world speculated means estimated, means they formed a theory without evidence. They thought that. So modern world estimated that, speculated about what happened to him, uh, with a murder being the most extreme possibility, and the possibility was the murder. They thought that his murder had been done. Now leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tut has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death and provide precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of the Boisphara. And after the discovery of his tomb, after 80 years. Now leaving the tomb for the first time in almost 80 years after the discovery. So after 80 years, Tut has undergone a CT scan. A CT scan. CT scan, do you know? A three-dimensional scan. There was a machine, CT scan machine, and a person went through the machine, and it has the three-dimensional scan from the X-rays. So his body had been CT scanned after 80 years of the discovery of his mummy. That offers new clues about his life and death, and the modern world wanted to know some new clues about his life or death, and provide precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction. Forensic means the study of science related to crime, that is the forensic, and reconstruction is the process of recreating the face of an individual. So reconstruction, so they wanted to give say they wanted to get the precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of Boish Farah. So modern world wanted to know about his life, about his death, and they discovered the tomb, and that was a mummy. So in the Egypt, in ancient Egypt, the people made pyramids. You know that the mummies were there. The body was protected by the some material, some substance, and after a long time, when the people searched, when the people discovered those mummies, so King Tut's mummy was one of them, and they CT scanned that mummy, his body, to wanted to know some data about his death, and the extreme possibility was the murder. Okay, now the next para. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devil as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the Kings. An angry wind stirred up when at it was become at the time when King Tut was taken, his body was taken from his resting place. Um, his resting place means in his tomb, where he was laying, and when his body was taken out from his mummy, from his pyramid, from his resting place for the CT scan, so an angry wind stirred up like a ghost. Then a strong wind, stirred means moved, ghostly like the ghost, like the unreal, that is unnatural. And when his body was taken out from his resting place means his from his grave. And what happened then, his resting place was an ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of Kings. Oh, ancient Egyptian cemetery, his resting place was, his tomb was where? An ancient Egyptian cemetery. Cemetery means a large burial ground. There was a burial ground, and many pyramids were built there, and it was known as the Valley of King. The there were many graves of the king family, so that is called the Valley of Kings. um, okay, so I will show you in the picture too. You can see here the Egypt, that is the world map. In this picture you can see here Egypt, it is the Egypt. You can see here Egypt, it is Egypt, and it is the capital of Egypt. And here the Valley of Kings, you could see here a Valley of Kings. Okay, so So from that valley of the kings, his body was taken out from his place, from his mummy. A dark bellied cloud had scudded across the desert sky all day and now were veiling the stars in the casket grey. And what happened after that? The dark bellied cloud. Dark bellied cloud means the dark color clouds were there, came there and scudded across, means moved quickly here and there in the sky. Um, the desert sky, on the desert sky, Egypt is in the place of desert, and the all day the dark clouds were moving here and there and now were veiling the stars in the casket gray. And veiling veiling means covering, and the dark clouds covered the stars in the casket gray. Casket gray means the gray color were like the casket. So the clouds covered all the stars in the sky, and clouds were moving when the body of King Tut had taken from there. It was 6 p.m. on 5th January 2005. The world's most famous mummy uh, glided head first into a CT scanner brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. And when his body had gone for the CT scan on the 5th January 2005, and it was 6 p.m., and the world's most famous mummy, King Tut's mummy, was the world's most famous mummy. And that mummy glided head first into the CT scanner. Glided means quiet, it is continuous motion. The glided head first into the CT scanner machine brought here to probe, and that machine brought there to probe, to investigate. Probe means to investigate um, the lingering medical mysteries. Lingering means the long lasting, the long awaited medical mysteries of little understood young ruler. And that was the young ruler, very, because that is the teenager who died more than 3,300 years ago. Who had died 3,300 years ago, and his body was in his mummy. And now, after the 3,300 years later, his body went through the CT scanner, and CT scan had about to happen now, so long days after, so long years later. Okay. So the next paragraph. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended into the cramped rock cut tomb, some 26 feet underground, to pay their respect. And when his body was taken out from his resting place, so all afternoon the usual line of tourists, a line of tourists, or many tourists from around the world had came there, and they went into the cramped means very small to fit, and they moved. Descended means they went, they moved into the cramped, very a little space there, rock cut tomb. And that tomb was the rock cutting tomb, after the cutting of rock, made in a rock by cutting it. That tomb was made in a rock by cutting the rock, some 26 feet underground, to pay their respect. So all the tourists wanted to pay respect for that king. They gazed at the murals on the walls of the burial chamber and peered at Tut's gilded face. The most striking feature of his mummy shaped outer coffin lid. And the tourist went, when the tourist went there, they gazed, mean they looked at the murals. Murals means Murals mean the painting on the walls. There were many paintings or statues on the walls, and they looked all those murals of the Broel chamber, and they peered at the Tut's gilded face. The Tut's face, the body of Tut was gilded. Gilded means covered with gold. The most striking feature was the most amazing feature was the mummy shaped outer coffin. A very interesting and very striking and very attractive thing is the outer lid of the coffin. Some visitors read from guidebooks in the whisper, and some visitors were reading. They were reading from their guidebooks in a very low voice. Others stood silently, perhaps pondering Todd's ultimately death in his late teens, and they were pondering means thinking. They were thinking that Todd's ultimately death about his late teens. They were thinking about his death, what was the reason they estimated there, or wondering with the shiver if the Faraz curse. And some tourists were thinking, and they were shiver, I mean they were frightening um, for the Faraz curse. Death of misfortune falling upon those who disturbed him was really true, and they was thinking that a misfortune will be falling upon them who were disturbing him from his resting place. And so there were many thoughts, and they were thinking a different types of their style. Okay, so so it is the end of today's paragraph, today's lesson, and the next para we will study the next in the next video. Okay, and it is the time of Hindi summary now. Okay, तो आज हम एक नया लेसन शुरू कर रहे हैं, डिस्कवरिंग टट द सागा कंटिन्यूज। टट एक इजिप्शियन किंग था एंसेंट टाइम में। इजिप्ट एक कंट्री है वर्ल्ड की, और वहाँ का एक राजा था टटनखैमुन। पहले उसका नाम टटनखैटन था, लेकिन बाद में उसने अपना नाम बदल कर टटनखैमुन कर दिया। उसको शॉर्ट में टट बोलते हैं। और सागा कंटिन्यूज, सागा स्टोरी को कहते हैं। कंटिन्यूज माने जो ये स्टोरी है डिस्कवरिंग टट की, ये अभी भी कंटिन्यू चल रही है। मतलब लोग अभी भी उसकी इस तरह की ममीज़ को खोज रहे हैं और उनके बारे में जान रहे हैं। तो ए.आर. विलियम्स की लिखी हुई बड़ी सुंदर ये एक स्टोरी है, कहानी है। कहानी नहीं, मतलब ये हकीकत है। तो ये आप यहाँ पर फ़ोटो में देख सकते हैं। एक चित्र है, पिक्चर है किंग टट की। तो ये माना जाता है कि वो टीनेजर था, वो ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं था, अपने टीन एज में था जब उसकी डेथ हुई थी। और वो एक पावरफुल फैमिली जो है, जो किंग फैमिली होती है, जिन्होंने राज किया था इजिप्ट पर सेंचुरीज़ तक, उनकी फैमिली ने, उनका जो किंगडम था इजिप्ट में, वो सैकड़ों साल तक रहा। उनकी फैमिली ने उस पर राज किया, वो राजा थे। और टटनखैमुन जो है, ये किंग टट जो है, ये उनका उस फैमिली का लास्ट किंग था, क्योंकि टीनेज में ही उसकी डेथ हो गई थी, तो उसके आगे उसके वंश नहीं चला। तो इस तरह से वो लास्ट किंग था उस फैमिली का। और उसको जहाँ उसकी मम्मी थी, जहाँ उसको दफनाया गया था, वहाँ पर उसको उसकी बॉडी को गोल्ड से लाद दिया गया था। और इवेंचुअली फॉरगॉटन, उसके बाद भुला दिया गया, क्योंकि इजिप्ट में ये लोग मानते थे कि आफ्टर लाइफ के बारे में भी मानते थे। उनके बिलीव था, उनका विश्वास था कि मरने के बाद भी कोई जीवन होता है, और उस समय उसको चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, इसलिए वो गोल्ड वगैरह बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ रखी जाती थी। और उसके बाद 1922 में उसकी टूम्ब को खोजा गया। उसकी जो समाधि थी, उसकी जो कब्र थी, टूम्ब होती है, कब्र होती है, उसको खोजा गया। और मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड ने ये एस्टिमेट किया कि क्या हुआ होगा उसके साथ। और जो सबसे ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी थी वो ये थी कि शायद उसका मर्डर हुआ हो, क्योंकि टीन एज में ही उसकी डेथ हो गई। और अब जब उसको 80 साल बाद उसको उसकी टूम से बाहर निकाला गया, उसकी बॉडी को, क्योंकि लोग उसको सिटी स्कैन करना चाहते थे। उसकी बॉडी को सिटी स्कैन करने के लिए बाहर निकाला गया, क्योंकि फॉरेंसिक जांच उसकी होने कर रहे थे वो सीटी स्कैन में, और ये देखना चाह रहे थे कि कुछ क्लूज़ मिल जाएं इसकी लाइफ और डेथ के बारे में। तो 80 साल उसके 1922 में उसकी टोम को खोजा गया, और उसके 80 साल बाद आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि किस सन में 80 साल बाद उसकी बॉडी को सीटी स्कैन के लिए लाया गया। और जिस दिन उसकी बॉडी को सीटी स्कैन के लिए वहाँ से निकाला गया, एक बहुत ज़्यादा उस समय हवा चलने लगी, पूरी गोल गोल घूमने लगी, जैसे कि कोई घोस्ट आ गया हो। और इस तरह से जो सिमेट्री थी, सिमेट्री मीन जो ब्रुअल चैम्बर था, जो जहाँ पर उसकी कब्र थी, वो एक किंग वैली ऑफ किंग्स के नाम से जाना जाता है, कि वहाँ पर जितने भी उस किंग फैमिली के लोग होते थे जिनकी डेथ होती थी, उनको उसी स्थान पर उनको दफनाया जाता था, उनके ममीज़ बनाई जाती थी। तो ये वैली ऑफ किंग्स के नाम से जानी जाती है वो जगह। तो वैली ऑफ किंग्स में जो सिमेट्री थी, वहाँ से रेस्टिंग प्लेस से उसको बाहर निकाला गया। और जब बाहर निकाला गया तो काले काले बादल पूरे आसमान में मूव करने लगे, इधर से उधर पूरी दिन। और उन्होंने जो तारे थे उनको ढक लिया, रात में सारे तारों को भी ढक लिया अपने अंदर में। और ये उस समय का टाइम था, 6 बजे का टाइम था शाम का, 5 जनवरी 2005 को। 5 जनवरी 2005 को ये घटना हुई, जिस दिन उसकी बॉडी को निकाला गया वहाँ से सीटी स्कैन के लिए मम्मी से। मम्मी तो आप जानते हैं ना, पुराने इजिप्ट में पहले डेड बॉडी को इस तरह से किसी एक मटेरियल्स को, एक पदार्थ ऐसा लगाया जाता था कि उसकी बॉडी को सुरक्षित किया जाता था, और एक मम्मी के अंदर रखा जाता था उसको, और वो सालों तक बॉडी वैसी सुरक्षित रहती थी। और दुनिया की सबसे फेमस मम्मी ये थी जो किंग टट की मम्मी थी, और इसको अंदर ले जाया जा रहा था सिटी स्कैनर के अंदर, जिससे कि कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जा सके, और जो मेडिकल मिस्ट्रीज़ हैं उनके रहस्यों का पर्दा खुल सके, और लोग समझ सकें उसके बारे में। जो यंग रूलर था, जो कि आज से लगभग 3300 साल पहले जिसकी डेथ हुई थी, 300 ईयर्स एगो जिसकी डेथ हुई थी, उसके बारे में इतने साल बाद कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाए, तो ये अपने आप में एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट था। और उसके बाद पूरे आफ्टरनून को जब उसको निकाला जा रहा था वहाँ से, उस पूरी आफ्टरनून को दुनिया भर से टूरिस्ट वहाँ आए हुए थे, और वो छोटे सी क्रैम्प्ड होल में अंदर जा रहे थे, क्योंकि वो धरती से 26 फीट नीचे चट्टान को काट करके वो टूम बनाई गई थी। और वहाँ पर लोग जा रहे थे, उस किंग को, उस मम्मी को रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे थे, और वो देख रहे थे वो जो पूरा चैम्बर था, उस चैम्बर की दीवारों पर कुछ चित्र बने हुए थे, जिनको भित्ति चित्र कहते हैं, मुराल्स कहते हैं, दीवारों पर जो बने होते हैं उस ब्रुअल चैम्बर के। और उसके चेहरे को देख रहे थे, जो पूरी तरह से क्या कहते हैं, सोने से ढका हुआ था, गिल्डेड था, सोने से कवर्ड था, गोल्ड से। और सबसे स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर तो ये था कि उसका जो आउटर कॉफिन था, मम्मी का जो कॉफिन था, जिस बॉक्स के अंदर उसको रखा गया था, जिसको कॉफिन बोलते हैं, उसका ढक्कन ऊपर से पूरा डेकोरेटेड, गोल्ड से डेकोरेटेड, पूरा कॉफिन ही गोल्ड का बना हुआ था। और कुछ विजिटर्स वहाँ आते हैं, और वो गाइड बुक लेकर के आ रहे हैं, वो गाइड बुक से पढ़ रहे हैं, और धीरे धीरे बात कर रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे उसके बारे में। और शायद वो ये भी सोच रहे हैं कि इसकी डेथ टीन एज में कैसे हुई, क्या इसके रीज़न रहे होंगे। और कुछ तो डर भी रहे हैं, उनको डर लग रहा है कि कहीं इसका कोई श्राप ना हमें मिल जाए, कोई मिसफॉर्चून, कोई दुर्भाग्य ना हमारे ऊपर पड़ जाए, कोई हमें श्राप ना मिल जाए, क्योंकि ये लोग जो इसको डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं उसकी मम्मी को यहाँ, जो कि वास्तव में डिस्टर्ब तो कर ही रहे हैं सब, उसकी मम्मी को बाहर निकाल रहे हैं, तो कहीं कोई ऐसा ना हो जाए कि हमारे साथ कुछ गलत हो जाए, कोई इसका हमें अभिशाप लग जाए। तो इसी सारी चीज़ें वो सोच रहे हैं। तो इस तरह से आज की वीडियो यहीं एंड होती है। इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको मिलेंगे, वो आपको करने हैं, और बाकी ये नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ अगली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे। ओके।